Good morning, students. Our today's topic is linear equation in two variables, the graphical representation. A linear equation is an algebraic expression in which each term is either a constant or the product of a constant with two variables. The one variable will be x and the other will be y. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers such that a and b are not both 0. Either of one can be 0 but both cannot be equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Because if a is 0, then there will be no value of x. If b is 0, then there will be no value of y. A linear equation in two variables has infinite many solutions. The graph of every linear equation in two variables is a straight line. It will always be a straight line because it is a linear equation. Linear means a line. We are discussing about the solutions. If x is 0, x is equal to 0 is the equation of the y-axis. If x is 0, then the equation will be on the y-axis. And if y is 0, the equation is x-axis. You have already studied about it in class 8th. The graph of x is equal to 0 is a straight line which will be parallel to y-axis. If y is 0, then the graph will be a straight line parallel to x-axis. An equation of the type y is equal to mx represent a line passing through the origin. If the nature of the line is, if the equation is y is equal to mx, means there is no constant term, simply y is equal to mx. It means this line will pass through the origin. Every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a solution of the linear equation. Each and every point we get from this equation is the part of this linear equation. Every point on the each and every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variable is a solution or root of linear equation. The solution of a linear equation can be obtained by substituting different values of x in the equation to find the corresponding value of y. Vice versa, you can do. You can put the values of y and find the values of x also. The values of x and y are represented as on an order pair. To plot the graph of a linear equation, its solutions are found algebraically and then the points are plotted on the graph. Any linear equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a straight line on the graph. The points of a straight line make up the collection of solutions of the equation. Now we will see the graphical representation. Obtain the linear equation. Let the equation be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Give any three values of x and calculate the corresponding value of y to obtain solution. We can take any three values. Three are enough to take to draw a graph. So take any three values of x and by putting the values of x in the equation we can find out the values of y. If possible, choose integral value of x in such a way that the corresponding value of y are also integers. Means we will take the integers. Try to take integers, such integers the value of the other can be also in integer form. Sometimes we see if we put the value, then value of x, we get the value of y in the form of rational numbers, then it will be difficult for you to draw the graph of a rational number. So always choose those values of x which are integers, and we also get the value of y in the form of integers. Let us see with example. We are taking 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. By putting the value of x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, minus 2y is equal to 6. By solving this, you will get the value of y 0. If we put x is equal to 4, then y is 3. By putting x is equal to 6, we get y is equal to 6. Now you can see the graph of the equation. X is the line which is drawn horizontally, and the y-axis is the line, vertical line. By putting the values of x and y, x will be in the horizontal line and y will be on the vertical line. You will get the graph which is a straight line. You can see some more examples are here. Green line is of the line y is equal to minus 2x minus 4. Pink line is y is equal to 0x minus 5. You can see if y is equal to minus 5 means there is no x in pink line. You can see y is equal to minus 5. So it is a parallel to x-axis. If y is equal to x is equal to 0, then the line will be parallel to x-axis. Similarly, in the I have told you, if y is equal to mx, then it will pass through origin. You can see in the orange line y is equal to mx. This line is in the form of y is equal to mx. In the blue line, it is the equation of y is equal to 2x plus 4. Now I think you will better understand the questions with these examples. Thank you.